I just made 50K worth of viral ads using Sora 2. Now, I know what you're thinking. This has to be the $200 ChatGPT Pro version. Actually, no, it doesn't slap a watermark on your video either. Plus, you don't even need to have an invite code or live in the US. I found a way around all of those problems, so I'm about to show you exactly how. But here's what nobody's talking about. Sora 2 is not just about making funny videos of Jake Paul and Sam Altman. This is about a massive shift in content creation, and early adapters are about to make serious money. So I'm gonna break down the entire process, the mistakes I made, and the exact method that about to change everything for creators like us. Alright, so here's what I decided to do. I made some high production ads for brands like Nike, Apple, Pringles, and let's just say it wasn't all wins. I also recreated some viral UGC content, those POV product reviews and unboxing videos. My goal here is to see if AI could match both the Super Bowl commercial level production and authentic user generated content. And honestly, the results blew my mind. Let me show you exactly how I did it. The first thing we need to do to get access to Sora 2 Pro is using Arc Ads. Arc Ads is specifically built for creators who want to make professional video ads with AI. So just head over to their website with the link in the description and sign up with your email. Now, once you've signed up and logged in, you're gonna land on this dashboard. So I'm creating a new project here. Now, you see this drop down that says Talking Avatar? If you click on it, you will see all the different types of content Arc Ads can create for you. But for what we're doing today, we need videos. Click on that and you'll see this second drop down with all the AI models Arc Ads has access to. And right here, Sora 2 Pro. This is the same model that costs $200 a month through ChatGPT, but we are getting it without the subscription and without the watermark. Let's start with creating that cinematic high production look. I'm gonna show you how to get that Apple style aesthetic. Alright, so in the prompt box, I'm gonna type something like cinematic commercial for iPhone 17 Pro in vibrant orange. With Sora 2, you don't actually have to go crazy with prompting. Now, before I hit generate, let me show you the settings down here. You can adjust the aspect ratio, duration goes up to 12 seconds, and quality can go all the way to 1080p. Pro tip here, I think it's best not to go lower than 12 seconds. Sora 2 will sometimes cut your videos short if there is not enough time. 12 seconds gives it the breathing room it needs to complete the scene. So I'm just gonna hit generate. While that's processing, let me show you another example. This time we'll create a Nike style commercial. We're gonna level up the prompting a little bit to see how it can handle it. So again, in the prompt box, I'm writing something like cinematic Nike ad, athletes in motion, dramatic lighting, urban setting, high energy and realistic. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the same setting and hit generate. Now let's take it up a notch. Let's create one more before I show you the results. So I just saw this viral Pringles ad that's absolutely hilarious. I want to recreate this concept. So I came up with this longer, more detailed prompt. You can pause the video if you want to read through the full prompt. Let's generate this and see how Sora handles a complex multi-scene prompt. Okay, so I totally messed up here. Classic me, I forgot to switch aspect ratio to horizontal like the original video. Had to go back, fix it, and generate again. Wasted credit like an idiot. So do yourself a favor, always double check before hitting generate. Alright, let's check out this results. I'm honestly blown away by what we just created. Let's watch the Apple commercial.
Meet iPhone 17 Pro. Precision, milled titanium edges, a bold new finish in orange. Our most advanced camera system, capturing detail like never before. Brighter, stronger, more.
So this Apple style ad looks absolutely professional and has that premium high-end Apple aesthetic we were going for. This genuinely looks like something Apple would put out. The only issue I'm seeing is that it's not exactly the Apple 17 Pro design I specified, and it's missing that distinctive shape on the back. But honestly, with a few more generations, we could nail this perfectly. So let's watch the Nike commercial.
Own the night.
Okay, this Nike commercial is absolutely insane. The energy is perfect. You can feel that high intense Nike vibe. This literally looks like it was made by Nike's actual creative team. My human eyes don't genuinely see any flaws here. If you spot anything, let me know in the comments. But I would seriously argue that creating an ad like this traditionally would cost Nike at least 50K. We just created all of that in under $10. Let's move on to the Pringles commercial. Okay, this one was interesting. I actually tried this a few times with both simple and complex prompts, but it kept having issues with keeping the hand actually stuck inside the can. Let's watch it.
Ever get your hand stuck in a Pringles can? He did. At the cafe, in the elevator, at work, even on his jog. Keys, complicated. Typing, creative. Dignity, hanging on by a chip. But one crunch later...
Okay, Sora 2 definitely struggled a bit with the specific concept I gave it. Instead of showing the hand trapped inside, it kept making the can looks like it's attached to his hand like some kind of weird prosthetic. It nailed everything else though. I would say it's got about 95% there. But here's the thing. 3 years ago, we were laughing at Will Smith melting face eating spaghetti, and now we're creating Hollywood-level commercials from our bedroom. Anyway, let's flip to complete opposite and make authentic user-generated content. This is where reference images become your best friend, which I'm gonna show you how to use that in a minute. For the first example, let's make a girly get ready with me TikTok style video, you know, those raw authentic videos. So in the prompt box, I'm gonna go with something like POV video of a young woman recording herself doing a morning skin routine in bathroom mirror, applying face serum, talking to the camera about her routine, soft morning glow, natural lighting. These details tell Sora to make it look like a real user-generated content, not some polished commercial. I'm gonna hit generate. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's take a look.
Good morning. I'm starting with a hydrating serum today. Just a couple of drops like that on my forehead and cheeks. It sinks in so quickly. I always press it in instead of rubbing because it keeps the glow without making me feel greasy. It feels
pretty good. It has that perfect TikTok raw style feel that's so hard to replicate. The lighting looks natural, her movement feels aesthetic, and you can actually believe this is someone filming their real morning routine. The only thing that's kind of bugs me is that how it doesn't really end properly and just cuts out. But honestly, we can just trim it a few seconds earlier in post to make it feel more finished. No one would question if this was real or AI generated, and that's exactly what brands are looking for right now. Speaking of brands, now we're gonna take it up a notch and make something brands would actually care about. I'm about to show you how to actually put your products into these videos. I'm curious how far I can take this, so I'll try a few different versions. So I found this hair oil on Amazon and I'm gonna put it in an influencer style UGC ad. Back in my dashboard, I'm gonna write something like young influencer with curly hair applying nourishing hair oil, natural bathroom lighting, excited genuine reaction to results. Literally nothing more. Honestly, you don't need to go crazy with the prompting with Sora 2. Now you see this upload button, click that and select your product image. Now Sora will use this as a visual guide. So I'm gonna hit generate and wait for the result.
I've been obsessed with this Holly Roots hair oil lately. It's lightweight but so nourishing and it smells like a spa. I just warm a few drops in my hands, scrunch through my curls and massage the rest into my scalp. Look at that shine. My curls feel soft.
Okay, so this is actually incredible. Look at her genuine excitement when she's applying the product. This feels like authentic influencer content. The only thing that's a bit off is the text overlay on screen, but honestly, that's not a big deal at all. Okay, so I know I said we don't need complicated prompting, but I'm gonna make an ad for a camera with multiple shots and transitions, basically creating a complete commercial narrative in one generation. So I'm gonna upload this product image of the camera and then use a prompt like this. You can pause and read it if you want. Basically what I'm doing here is describing each scene I want Sora to create, almost like giving it a complete storyboard scenario. I'm gonna hit generate.
Pack light, shoot big. The Sony ZV-E10 is ready before wheels up. Wide, crisp landscapes at sunrise. Quick autofocus that locks on while you move. And low light magic when the city lights up. Back at the cafe, clip.
It looks really solid, like literally made by Sony. Here's another one I found for some earbuds I found on Amazon.
All right, let's check these out. Seal off, flip the top, clean. And inside, we've got the new buds. Super compact case, matte finish, and that logo, nice. Let me throw them in. Oh, that's a snug fit. Clicks right into place. Sound test? Yeah. Okay,
nice. This looks like an MKBHD level YouTuber made this review. But what's cool about Arcat is that they have other tools that when you combine them together, you get a complete finished ad or UGC content. For example, they have this POV unboxing option in the menu. Let me show you how it works. When you click the drop down, you will see POV unboxing. Here you can upload an image of your product. I'm gonna upload this moisturizer image. Then you choose a template, which is basically your setting. They have different places where your product can be unboxed. I'm gonna go with this one and hit generate. Honestly, it looks so real to me. And there's another tool I really like where I can showcase my website with a UGC creator. They have this option called Showcase app. You upload a screenshot of your website, could be your product listing, app interface, or anything, and choose an actor. For this moisturizer example, I'm gonna choose this guy. He looks like he uses moisturizer. Look at that. It's so realistic, and check out that reflection on the phone. It feels like he's actually showing the interface on his phone. Now, when you're combining all of these, Sora 2, POV unboxing, and app showcase, you get a complete polished ad campaign for your brand. But here's the opportunity that most people are completely missing. While everyone else is making memes and funny videos with Sora 2, there's a massive business sitting right in front of us. Small businesses, startups, and even bigger brands all desperately need video content. So here's what I want you to do. First, try Arc Ads yourself. Link is in the description. Start experimenting and learn the prompts that work. Second, think about businesses in your area that need video content but can't afford a traditional production. And if you don't want to deal with clients, just start a TikTok Shop affiliate marketing account and pump out product reviews all day. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.